Hello everybody, this is Scott Shikawa and we are here at the Submillimetre Array offices at University Park. A lot of the telescope operations have offices here on the Big Island at this location, and the reason we're here is we're going to talk about the Akamai Workforce Initiative. Now this is a local program dedicated to advancing Hawaii college students into STEM careers. TMT is a major sponsor of this program, and here with me today is Jennifer Chun. Jennifer, you're a student at UH Manoa, and you want to talk a little bit about yourself and your background?
So I'm going to go into my senior year at UH Manoa, and I'm majoring in electrical engineering right now. So I'm just here for the summer to do my project for 7 weeks.
How did you find out about this summer internship, and what got you interested in applying for it?
So there's actually it's actually promoted a lot on the UH Manoa campus. There's flyers in our engineering building, and a lot of the professors send out emails regarding this internship. So yeah, I knew about it pretty early on, and then it just seemed like an interesting internship because it's a very technical one, or I thought it would be, and it is.
So everyone, I guess every intern, and there's about 30 interns that are part of this program. Every intern has a particular project that they're assigned to. What is your project as part of this summer internship?
So I'm working on the YTLA, which is another telescope that's run by AJA, or the SMA, and it's located on Mauna Loa. So right now I'm measuring the signal strength that the antenna receives, and then I'm going to measure the signal strength at 2 different places in the receiver hardware. And the reason we're doing this is so we can figure out what hardware in the telescope we need to adjust in order to get the optimal signal strength at the output.
So, I mean, do you have a chance to learn these kind of things in a classroom setting? I mean, this is basically you're in a place, an actual operation. It's kind of like hands-on experience.
So coming into this internship, I knew the basics, basic circuits, basic programming and stuff. But this material is very specialized, so I actually had to learn a lot about it the first few weeks that I came here. But my mentors are very hands-on, so once they started talking to me and explaining it, I was able to catch up pretty quickly, I think.
So how's it been going with your mentors? I mean, they sit down with you. What's the routine every day like? Or does it change every day?
It's pretty different. So the first week or so I was down here, they would explain things. I used some of the equipment, vector network analysis and stuff, to just practice learning how to use these instruments. And then after that, I started going up to the mountain to do my actual measurements. So now I go up to Mauna Loa 3 or 4 times a week, depending. And then I stay down for another day to analyze all the data and make sure it all kind of corresponds with each other, correlates correctly and stuff like that.
Is that your first time up on the mountain? Yeah. What is it like? I mean, just the view and everything.
It's really pretty. It's kind of crazy because we're at 11,000 feet, so you can just see down and you see all the cars passing and all the clouds and stuff, and then you just see Mauna Kea right across. So I really like it up there.
Well, why is it important for these type of internships, I guess, for students getting into the STEM field? I mean, just from what you learned.
So I think it's important because it gives you a chance to learn a lot of technical skills that you won't necessarily learn in class. You learn all the basics in class, and the theoretical things, but when you come to an internship, you get hands-on experience for 7 weeks or so on very specialized material. So by the end of it, you know it really well.
Yeah. Last question I have is, you major in electrical engineering. What particular field or job do you want to get into after you get out of college?
I'm really interested in renewable energy, so I was hoping to stay in Hawaii and work on something like that.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for taking the time. Hey, and that's one of the interns we're going to be talking to as part of this program. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to our website at maunakeatmt.org. And until next time, aloha.